To the stock market, futures are higher right now, but that follows more big losses on Monday.
The Dow plunged 876 points, about the same drop experienced on Friday. The S&P closed 151 points lower, putting the index in bear market territory, down more than 20% from its peak. The Nasdaq was off 530, losing more than 4%. CBS News' Elijah Westbrook has more on what it means for the average investor. He's live from Wall Street this morning with more on this. Elijah.
Well, Chris and Mary, I can tell you, certainly not looking good right now. Experts tell us that there's a lot of what's called panic selling taking place from investors following what we saw at the end of the day yesterday. As you mentioned, the S&P has dropped to such a record low that it's entered a bear market, something that we have not seen since the start of the pandemic.
This is a bear market. A lot of profit taking going on, a lot of scared investors.
Stock experts say investors began the week hitting the sell button thanks to rising inflation and a fragile economy. The Dow was down more than 2% yesterday. The Nasdaq dropped more than 4%, and the S&P sank more than 3%. That brings it down 20% from its highest point in January, entering what's called a bear market.
I think there was this fear that, in fact, higher prices and rising interest rates are going to keep eating into corporate profits, and the consumers are not going to be able to maintain their current level of spending.
Wall Street quickly finding out there's much to worry about, including Russia's war on Ukraine, persistent high inflation, rising interest rates, and poor corporate earnings.
For an investor, rising inflation, higher interest rates means companies don't make as much money, and that means sell stocks.
Investment strategist Tim Gresky says it's time to take a deep breath and hope for the best.
You think they might get even worse. And indeed, they might. But I think, the average investor really should look at investing as a long-term prospect.
And for those invested in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, the crypto market crashed yesterday, wiping out billions of dollars. It all comes ahead of a closely watched Federal Reserve meeting this week, where the central bank is expected to increase interest rates by as much as 75 basis points, the biggest hike in more than 2 decades.
Second quarter earnings begin to get reported around mid-July. That's going to be very critical for the outlook of the market.
And back here live on Wall Street as we wait for the market to reopen in just a few hours. Economists predict that we could be reaching closer to another recession. They say that this all could take place as early as next year. We're live right now on Wall Street. Elijah Westbrook, CBS 2 News.
Elijah, thank you.